to see a farm animal? Share this video with your friends also, huh? So let's share. Start. Farm animals. Farm animals are animals that are raised on farms for their meat, dairy products, or to help out the farmers. Please like the video. So first animal is cow. They live on farms and provide us with milk, which is used to make dairy products like cheese, butter, yogurt, and yummy ice cream. The next is horse. Horses also live on the farm and help the farmer with their day-to-day work. You like horse? Yeah. The next animal is goat. Goats are also commonly found on the farm. They can be milked just like cows can, and their milk can be used to make cheese, butter, yogurt, and even soap. Next one is pigs. Do you love pigs? Okay, so pigs are reared on farms for their meat. We get pork, bacon, and sausages from the pigs. Yummy, na? Next is chicken. Chickens are kept either for their meat or to lay eggs. Female chickens lay eggs. They are known as hens. They tend to lay 1 to 2 eggs each day. A male chicken is called a rooster. They are responsible for the early mornings. Cuckoo. Next is geese. You might also find geese on a farm. Female geese lay eggs just like chickens. The next, why do farms have animals? Animals also have special roles in the world of agriculture, which is another word of farming. Some animals are on the farm to provide food like milk or dairy. Other animals are on the farm to help with physical labor needed to keep the farm running. If you like my video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.